Cyber threats come out to play in droves as the holiday season approaches, preying on businesses like yours and the clients you serve. They don't play nicely, but with Edgio, you don't have to worry. We give you the 24/7 support, security, and digital performance you're looking for, with cutting-edge technologies that improve your SEO and conversion rates when you need them most during peak traffic periods. With our new client-side protection, we keep your shoppers and their credit card info safe, while you concentrate on boosting revenue. Plus, our holistic web application and API protection keeps you protected from emerging threats, including bots, DDoS attacks, and more. It gets even better with our Attack Surface Management, the only platform that finds vulnerabilities and exposures across your entire external, web-facing infrastructure. And through our new Protect and Perform applications bundles, you have predictable pricing with no surprises. Contact us today to take advantage of a complimentary holiday readiness assessment that will help you have customers going merrily into the holiday season.